Yes, yun din yung pinaka-ano ko challenge or mission ko this time. I cannot even believe that I'm going to stand in behalf of the Filipino people in Bukidnon and in Cagayan de Oro especially, no? At tumatayo ako for the uh, Duterte supporters from Cagayan de Oro and especially Bukidnon. And kasi nafe-feel ko ang mga kababayan natin na mga supporters. So I have to stand on them. Also to support the people of Davao City. Pag magsa-stand pa lang ako, naiiyak na ako. It's not about me, but it's about for our beloved people from the Northern Mindanao. For former President. But we have the law of the land and the law of God. Isipin na lang natin na this is also a part of his journey, a total darkness of his soul. Na may mga tayong tao talaga nakatadhana sa atin, yung mga from ups and downs of our life. But of course, it's very hard to deal to the family. Kailangan nila ng emotional support. So, ang pagtayo namin, malaking tulong sa Duterte family that we are with them. Sa akin lang din talaga is also a very painful part, no? Kasi I've been also to a journey na namatay yung nanay ko, nawala siya. So that kind of journey is very hard. But I need to stand for the people of Cagayan de Oro, the Bukidnon, di ba? I'm bringing that place. So in behalf of the people, gagawin ko to stand.